Alrighty guys, welcome back to Random Rebuilds, and if you guys are new here, please hit the like button and the subscribe button, and let's get straight into the video. Alrighty guys, welcome back to part 2 of how to flip a dirt bike, and I know how last video I said I was gonna do the top end rebuild, but it's kind of change of plans because I found metal shavings in my oil. Look at that, little baby shaving pieces of metal in my oil. So what I'm gonna have to do is clean up the whole top end, the whole bottom end of this engine, all this grease and all this junk, and I'm gonna take it apart and clean it up. Alright, so we just got most of the big grease and grime off, so let's start tearing this thing apart. Alrighty guys, we just got this half taken apart and it is going pretty smooth right now. And we got all these gears taken out. There's one shot bearing which I gotta replace, which I was kind of surprised. I thought all these were gonna be shot, but I guess not. here are all the pieces I took out. The kicker, not the flywheel, I gotta take that out next, but that's on the other side. And this is the parts I gotta degrease. Alrighty, so let's flip this thing on the other side and start splitting this case. Alrighty, so we can't get this flywheel out because you need a special tool. I'll put it up on the screen what it's supposed to look like. And this is what I was using, but it is too big. So I can't really do anything else in this video, which I could detail all the parts and degrease them all, but I want to save that all for a different video. So I'm just gonna have to stop this video now, which I didn't want to. Then nothing went as planned. I was expecting to take this whole engine apart, but kind of laid back a little bit, kind of screwed over because this flywheel is stuck in here and I don't have the tools, and I ordered it, so it should be in like in a week. And I ordered all the bottom end gaskets and the bearings, so everything should be in about, for next video everything else should be in. But I got the bottom end rebuild kit, or no, top end, my bad, and it's this piston. That's gonna have to be it for today's video. If you guys like these videos, please hit the like button and the subscribe button. That would really mean a lot to me. Help this channel grow out so I could keep building this channel. And if you guys want to comment down below anything what you guys saw me do wrong or anything. See you next time. Peace.